G'day everyone, welcome to not so sunny Melbourne. Mum and I are here, it's Thursday the 18th of November. I hope that's right. We're here at Preston Market doing a bit of shopping, and so I hope you enjoy the video. Cheers.
Don't forget to put the sides up on your car.
Welcome back everybody. Just filming here at the Preston Market. This is in the fruit and veg section. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning here on Thursday morning. Mum's going to go in there to do some shopping, and we'll just walk around at the front here. There we go, we got the delicatessen, there we go, we got fruit. Oh. We got the veggies there, plants, that's where I'm walking. So we got heaps of plants there. Tomatoes. Our garden's pretty much planted, but the weather in Melbourne at the moment is absolutely shocking. We've had 3-4 days of torrential rain and then really cold, and today's meant to be about 24-25 Celsius, and that's the sky. So it's forecast for a bit of rain today. It's not cold, but it's not warm either. Okay, so let's walk around. Mum's in the fruit shop there, so we'll just walk around here. Okay, this is part of the market. I won't go too far because Mum won't find me. There's like a little food sort of section here just up ahead. Preston Market is obviously in Preston, which is a northern suburb of Melbourne. About 15 kilometres out of the CBD. Nice Christmas tree. Okay, straight ahead there in that last area is the meat section, poultry. Everyone can sit down here and buy some food, buy some pizzas. But I better go back and see where Mum is. At least if it starts raining, we're under cover here, so that's great. So many times we've been here, it's the weather's been pretty average, and I think it actually is raining as we speak. Mum's in that fruit shop just ahead. But yeah, it is actually coming down. Not sure if you can see it in the video, but it is coming down. So there you go, people running for cover. Now I'll have to wait for Mum to finish her fruit and veg shopping here, and I'll continue the video once she comes out.